Guess what, y'all? I'm back with another video and with a new friend. Meet Alfie. Say hi, Alfie. Oh my goodness. This is my new baby puppy. We got him from a rescue. And not only did I want him to make his debut to you guys, because I know y'all met Aspen years ago, he's still with us, still our baby, and of course he will be appearing in other videos like before, but this is Alfie's first appearance and first unboxing, and it's something for Alfie. You're gonna be so excited, Bubby. Look at him. He was literally only $180. No breeder, no none of that. Straight rescue, because I only do rescue, period. So I'm really grateful that I found him, and then I got to save him, which is amazing. And he's just a little baby. But this is as big as he's gonna get. So that leads into our next part of the video, where I'm gonna show you guys what we got Mr. Alfie. Amazon package came in. Oh my gosh. Wish it was a little bit smaller, my gosh. But I mean, I'm glad it gives him enough space. I don't think you're ready for this jelly. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Is this not the cutest dog carrying case you've ever freaking seen? This is the cutest pet carrier, and guess who it's by? You guessed it, and if you didn't, well, now you know. It's Juicy Couture. Ba-bam. Yeah, I love me some Juicy. This is giving total Y2K vibes, especially with the whole small dog aesthetic, you know what I mean? Like, everyone loves a small dog carrying case combo. The only problem is I wish it was more like a purse. Like, I literally got this one because I thought that it was gonna be like a little bit smaller because he's so tiny. Like, look at him. He doesn't need all of that. However, I do like that it has so much space for him, so then he won't feel like cramped or confined or want to cry. He can literally like lay down in there really easily. Let's test it out. You ready, Alfie? Let's put you in it. This is really good quality. Look at the little charm, you guys. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. It's so soft on the inside, you guys. Hold on, let me show you. First, it has this type of print, little dogs on it. Do you see that? Isn't that so cute? And then the inside bottom, he's gonna love this. It's like velvet, like soft bottoms. It has like some memory foam cushion in there. Like, oh my gosh, this dog's ain't living better than me. Alfie, look at this. Oh my goodness, this is the cutest thing ever. Look at him. Oh, you're so cute. Alfie, I love you. The cutest reveal in the whole stinky wide world. Yeah, this is literally perfect for him. He's not even crying. He's so comfy. The bed, I know you're loving it. You're loving it, aren't you, Alfie? He literally has a memory foam. It has the heart that just like caresses his face. He can get out. His little head can peek out if he wants to. I see he's found something to chew on. He always wants to find something like that, so I gotta probably rip that part out. But I am so satisfied. This is probably one of my favorite purchases. Thank you, Juicy Couture. I mean, it's not like it was free, but dang. Thanks for making something so cute. Especially for dogs. Like, I like it so much. What does it say? Let's read. Give me treats. And then what's the bottom part say? I can't read it on the camera. Born to bark in the glamorous USA. I've officially won 2025. Me and Alfie, haven't we? Yes. Yes, my baby, we have won 2025. This is my $1 million puppy. I don't care if he was only 180. This is a $1 million puppy, period. This is really cute. Like, let me try to pick it up and see how it looks like me holding it. Like right now, he's faced the opposite way. Okay, wait, yeah, this 8. Thank you guys so much for watching. I also want to show you guys his little vest. Like, it's a little harness too, so I like that. But yeah, I'm probably gonna like pair the two, like the cheetah print with the bag, just eat. But all right, you guys, so that concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Alfie loves you, I love you, and we will see you tomorrow. Say bye, Alfie. Bye.